Dear friends, the Conceptual Orthopedics is bringing to you the 4th postgraduate course. We have almost same faculty which we had 4 years ago, and we are very proud of it. The reason we are proud of it, that after each course, each one of us as a faculty member has improved based on your feedback, because we strongly believe learning never ends and we will continue to improve. Your aim and our aim may be slightly different. You understandably are more focused on passing the exam, but we at Conceptual Orthopedics want to make you a good orthopedic surgeon. Although we are regularly teaching you online, but there are certain principles which are best learned face to face. There can be no substitute from seeing how Professor Tulli would introduce himself to patient and then take his or her consent to be examined. There is no substitute when our young sports orthopedic surgeon or young oncologist, orthopedics oncologist, explain to you the investigation and the management for a patient presented to them at the meeting by you. The purpose of this course is not to see a flawless examination, but to correct your mistakes and make you better prepared for your exam and for your clinic. But overall purpose of this course is also to enjoy the wonderful and dynamic specialty of orthopedics. So I'm ready to learn from our senior and junior faculty. Are you? Please join us from 1st to 3rd March at Delhi. Let's all learn together. Thank you.